How to use Voloco without internet? No Wi-Fi, no data, no problem. Here's how to use Voloco without internet like a pro. Before going offline, open the app once with an active connection. Why? Voloco needs to load the preset beats and unlock features fast. Tap the beat and go to Beat Store and download any beat you want to use it later. Same with the vocal presets. Once downloaded, they work offline. Now turn off your internet or switch to airplane mode. Tap plus button, tap quick record, and choose download beats or go with no beats. Hit the mic icon and record your vocals as usual. All effects and tuning will still work offline. Once done, tap continue, then save to your library. You can share it later when you are back online, and that's it. You can use Voloco anywhere, even with no signal, perfect for travel or studio vibe on the go. If this helped, smash the like button, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick music hack. Catch you in the next one.